Yo, what is up everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can link your bank account to your PayPal. So it's pretty simple to link your bank account to PayPal, since like PayPal is like used to deal with money. So entering your bank account through which you can transfer your money from your bank account into your PayPal, and then you can transfer the money to the person you want, or like to buy something. So yeah, let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? So you want to open PayPal, then this is going to be your interface. Now once you're over here, you can click on this gear icon over here, click on it. Once you click on this gear icon, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says banks and card. All right, you want to click on banks and card. And once you're over here, you want to click on this plus icon, because that's how you guys are going to add card and bank. You want to click on this plus. And once you click on this plus, you want to click on where it says bank account. But if you want to link your debit or credit card, go for debit or credit card. You want to link your bank in this video, so we're going to click on bank account. Once we click on bank account, wait for some time. It's going to show you all the available bank over here. But if you don't find your bank, you can always search for it using their name. All right, so let's say I want to go for this bank called Chase Bank. I'm going to click on Chase. Now once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. Now right now it says Chase, but it's going to show you the bank which you clicked. All right, now over here you want to enter your Chase Bank's username or your user ID, and you want to enter your password over here. And after entering that, you want to click on agree and link, which means you're going to agree to the terms and service of PayPal, and click on agree and link, which means it's going to link your account to PayPal. After doing that, your bank account will be linked if your username and password is correct. So that's basically how you guys can link your bank account on PayPal. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye until then.